Hello creative people. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to dive into the enchanted world of the Secret Garden coloring book. We will use a special touch that will transform your pages into true works of art. Do you know how to use a stencil with watercolor? I teach this simple but powerful technique that will help you create impressive results, even if you are a beginner. So, grab your materials and come with me on this artistic journey. Before we begin, I want to show you the materials we are going to use today. First, of course, the Secret Garden book. This is the page we are going to color. Then we have our stencil. In this case, I used a stencil imitating a wicker basket. I will also use Acrilex watercolor paints. You can find the review of this watercolor here on the channel. I will leave the link in the description. Metallic watercolor Sakura koi, as well as a brush, white pen, masking tape, and colored pencils. The colors used are in the video description. I will place a cardboard under each page to protect the book. First, we will attach the stencil with masking tape to the upper corner of the page. Moisten the acrylic watercolor tablets. We will use a hard-bristled, almost dry brush. Rub the dry brush on the tablet of the desired color. Hold the stencil so that it does not move and pass the brush in a circular motion over all areas of the stencil. Remove the stencil and replace it a little further forward, trying to fit the stencil design, and repeat the operation with the brush. Note that in the area of the design, I try to pass the brush at the end of the paint to make it lighter. Repeat this operation on both pages. Take the opportunity to buy or download my books on Amazon. Watercolor with Flavor, Delicacies without the use of sketches. And Watercolor Flowers without the use of a sketch. They are still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. I will leave the link in the video description. Now that we have created the background for the entire page, let's color the original drawing. At this point, use your imagination, use whatever colors you want, and play with your materials. I decided to color the Sakura koi with watercolor. I will use the non-watercolorable colored pencil to paint the stems. Use a white pen to give it a special touch. And our work of art is ready. So, did you like the result? Tell me in the comments what you thought. If this tutorial inspired you, leave a like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments and I will always answer them. Until the next artistic adventure, thank you for watching the video until the end.
Enjoy! They are still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.